and welcome to Katinko or Katinko Corporation. I am Rocky J. Sirano and I will be your trainer, facilitator for qualification, title facility. Before we start, to make sure everybody is here, please sign the attendance sheet. Now that we have a attendance sheet, let's raise your hands once I call your name. Clarice Candelaria, Iscaro Irish. Now that we have a short introduction to our school. Our school's name is Katinko or Katinko Corporation. It is located at Barangay Magsaysay, Lopez, Quezon. Our mission is to create a stylish and comfortable casual apparel for our customer. Through expert wrapping and pattern techniques, we ensure that each garment fits perfectly and made to last. Our commitment to craftsmanship and guarantees that our customer receive the very best. Our vision is driving force behind our center. We believe that it's important to study and understand the need of our trainees because they are the biggest part of our success. By providing high-quality training, we hope to exceed their full potential while providing excellent service worldwide. Our goal is to create a pattern based on precise measurement, taken from a person, dress, or body form. Furthermore, making drafting and cuttings casual patterns is enjoyable for everyone. Interpreting design and understanding them with technical ability, in creating patterns that are uniquely and adaptable to ever-evolving aspect and needs of our society. We hope to be able to explain Katinko's mission, vision, and goals. Now, these are the 9 areas and competences-based training facility. Number 1 is practice work area. Trainees rehearse specific skills. Number 2 is learning resource area. Trainees do their self-paced learning. Third is institutional assessment area. Trainer assess trainees' knowledge. Next is contextual learning laboratory. Area where lecture discussion is done. Quality control area. Metrology, calibration, and in-process quality control are held. Next is trainer's resource area. Trainer's resource materials are kept. And next is distance learning area. Trainees can access modules. Computer laboratory. Trainees are given the chance to develop their IT competences. Next is support service area. Offers value-adding competencies. These are the competences-based training. We have a knowledge, skills, and attitude. A training delivery approach that focuses on competencies, development of the learner as a result of the training. These are the 3 principles of CBT. Number 1 is learning is based on the competences-based curriculum. Second is learning is modular and its structure. Third is training delivery is individualized and self-paced. Fourth is training is based on work that must be performed. Training materials are directly related to the competencies, standards, and the curriculum. Number 6 is assessment of learner is based on the collection of the evidences of work. 7 is training is based on type of the job component and of the job components. Number 8 is the system allows recognition of prior learning, RPL. Number 9 is training allows for multiple entry entities. The last is approved training programs are nationally accredited. The role of trainer. Number 1 is stimulates trainees' motivation. Second is diagnose and solve learning problems. Third is evaluate student achievement. This is the role of the trainee. Role of training. Trainees learn at their own rate within program guidelines. Trainees compete against first job standard and not against other students. Trainees move freely in the workshop, laboratory, and our training center. Dressmaking in situ competencies. Nominal duration is 18 hours. Basic competencies. These are the participate in workplace communication, work in team environment, practice career professionalism, practice occupational health and safety procedures. Next is nominal duration, 17 hours common competencies. Carry out measurements and calculation, set up and operate machines, perform basic maintenance, apply quality standard. Nominal duration, 240 hours for competencies. Plan garment design, take client body measurement, drop basic block, manipulate pattern, cut final pattern. These are the part of the competencies-based learning materials. Wrong page, list of competencies, module content, learning outcome summary, learning experience, information sheet, self-check, subject answer key, operation, task, job sheet, performance criteria checklist, reference, further reading. This is the training record book. How will you be evaluated? Competent or non-competent? Now, let's proceed to our training. I've heard data gathering instrument and self-assessment checklist. Don't forget to write your name and read the instruction carefully. This instrument will help you to determine your training gaps in current competencies. I will give you a 15 minutes to answer. Trainees, are you done? I've also have here pre-assessment test. Don't forget to write your name and read the instruction carefully. This instrument will determine the level of your knowledge. You may have your lunch break for 30 minutes and take your meal. Please come back at exactly 10:30 a.m. Welcome back, trainees. How's your meals? As I've checked your data gathering instrument, self-assessment checklist, pre-assessment test, I found out some of you are newly graduate while some of you are working industry. Once I call your name, come with me at your assigned area. I will give you a further instruction, okay? Mrs. Caro, come with me at the contextual learning laboratory. Here is the CBLM of unit of competencies, which is the drop and cut pattern for casual apparel. Read the information sheet 1.1-1. After you read the information sheet, answer the self-check. And after that, you may check your answer on answer key. Okay, I go back to you after you finish your task. Miss Candelaria is still here at the learning resource area. Now listen to me and I will discuss to you about the learning outcomes. These are the planned garment design, take client body, measurement, drop basic manipulate pattern, and cut final pattern. Miss Iscaro, are you done with your task? Okay, may have your CBLM. Wow, job well done. I signed your TRB. Let me check your achievement chart. Miss Candelaria, come with me at the practical work area. Here are the tools, materials, and supply necessary on how to drop and cut pattern for casual apparel. Please wear your personal protective equipment or PPE. Let me first to demonstrate to you. Alright, based on the performance criteria checklist, you are able to demonstrate the task. However, you also have to make that properly and be guided by our session plan. Let me give you more time to practice, and then when you are ready, we can proceed with the institutional assessment. Let me check your achievement chart for this. Miss Candelaria, okay, are you ready for the institutional assessment? So given the tools, materials, you are required to properly demonstrate the learning outcomes. You are given 3 hours to finish the demonstration. Okay, you are now finished with the demo. Let me ask a few questions on your product. Now, you may take your written examination at the institutional assessment area. But please get the written examination test and your answer sheet on trainer resource area. How are you doing to prepare the materials? Now, you have to watch video presentation on how to drop and cut pattern for casual apparel. Please proceed to practical work area and wear personal protective equipment. Then prepare the tools, materials, and ingredients to be used. Now, you are asked to perform the planning garment design, taking body measurement, and drafting basic block pattern and cutting final pattern. Based on the performance criteria checklist, you were able to take body measurement. However, you also have to make that accurate. Let me give you more time to practice tomorrow. Meanwhile, you can bring at the CBLM and read it again, or you can watch the video I uploaded in the website. And then tomorrow, when you are ready, we can proceed with the institutional assessment. Let me check your achievement chart on this. Are you done on your written examination? Now, I will check it. You got a perfect score on your written examination. You also met the required standard in making prepare on how draft and cut pattern for casual apparel. As a reminder, always bear in mind safety first in handling all equipment. Based on your assessment, you are competent in the unit of competency. Congratulations! May I have your TRB? Let me also mark your progress chart as you have finished all the learning outcomes, a unit of competency, and you have complete all the core units. Come back to learning resource area. Take your post-test examination, then answer the training evaluation form. Please proceed the learning resource area for further instruction. Miss Candelaria, are you done answering your post-test and evaluation form? Okay, Miss Candelaria, since you are done all the competencies required and dressmaking, be ready and prepare for national assessment. That's all for today. Thank you for job well done. Goodbye.
Thank you for watching my video.